Research shows that 70% of your immune system is located in the gut. It further describes a strong link between the gut microbiome and various health issues, including skin conditions, anxiety, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, and depression. Here is how to tell if you have an unhealthy gut. This clearly shows that your gut plays a fundamental role in promoting overall health and well-being. But since gut issues may not always present with digestive symptoms, you could be ill yet unaware that your gut is the main problem. That's why it's essential to understand the critical signs associated with an unhealthy gut and what to do about it. 7 signs of an unhealthy gut. Number 1. Unintended weight changes. Unintentional weight loss or weight gain can signal an imbalance in your gut flora. Your gut flora is a host to trillion bacteria, both good and bad, and the key to a healthy gut lies in having a balance between the two. Any disruption in your gut will increase inflammatory markers, which will impact nutrient absorption, blood glucose regulation, and fat storage, causing a drastic change in your weight. What makes you gain weight? Number 2. Skin irritation. An unhealthy gut can result in inflammatory skin conditions, including eczema, spots, psoriasis, and rosacea, a chronic inflammatory skin condition that usually affects the face. Although an unhealthy gut cannot directly affect your skin, researchers believe that when your gut is populated with harmful bacteria, the immune system triggers inflammation to help fight back. This causes inflammatory skin conditions to occur. Number 3. A high-sugar diet. If your diet is often high in sugar, you could, without a doubt, have an unhealthy gut. Added sugar or dietary sugar alters the composition of your gut microbiome by decreasing the good bacteria that promote healthy digestion and metabolism while increasing the harmful ones. This is because the bad bacteria feed on the sugar, causing them to multiply. Over time, there will be an overgrowth of bad gut bacteria, leading to chronic inflammation with further gut damage. How to stop sugar cravings. Number 4. Sleep disturbances. An unhealthy gut can cause sleep disturbances and insomnia. Research shows that the gut microbiome can affect a wide range of cognitive abilities, mental health, sleep cycle, brain development, and memory formation. Number 5. Food intolerances. Food intolerances are common in some individuals, but most can be a sign of an unhealthy gut. This is not the same as food allergy, which is associated with an adverse immune reaction to certain foods, especially proteins. Food intolerances occur and the gut gets overwhelmed with harmful bacteria, making it difficult to digest trigger foods. This may result in indigestion associated with bloating, gas, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and nausea. Number 6. Bad breath. Bad breath can be due to different factors such as poor oral hygiene or foods with a pungent smell like garlic and fresh onions. However, an imbalance in the gut microbiome like an H. pylori overgrowth or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, can also cause bad breath. It's especially a common symptom in H. pylori. Number 7. Autoimmune conditions. Since a large part of your immune system is located in the gut, any disruption in the gut microbiome may result in autoimmune conditions such as ulcerative colitis, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis. Here are the things you can do to fix an unhealthy gut. Number 1. Lower your stress levels. A troubled mind can affect you mentally, emotionally, and physically. And while short-term stress can diminish your appetite and slow digestion, chronic stress can cause diarrhea, constipation, upset stomach, and indigestion, among other gastrointestinal issues. Some practical ways to combat stress include walking, meditation, massage, and most importantly, addressing whatever issue causing you stress. Number 2. Eat probiotic and prebiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are good gut bacteria that support a healthy gut and digestion. They can be found in supplement form or fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and fermented vegetables. Since these foods contain the same bacteria as those in your gut, they will help increase their population, thus leveling out the harmful ones. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Research shows a strong connection between a healthy gut and sound sleep. In a study conducted by scientists in Japan, they wanted to ascertain the effects of probiotics, the good gut bacteria, on sleep. So they took a group of students preparing for an exam and divided them into 2 groups. One group took a probiotic drink every day for 8 weeks before exams and 3 more weeks after the exams, while the other took a placebo beverage for the same duration. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking adequate water may also balance good bacteria in the gut and promote a healthy mucosal lining. Water is also a natural lubricant that helps soften stools, thus preventing constipation. Number 5. Change your diet. Processed foods, added sugar, and processed oils are the common causes of gut inflammation, resulting in a series of gut problems. Replace processed food with whole, natural foods rich in nutrients that the body needs to stay healthy and function properly. Number 6. Monitor for any food intolerances. Do you experience symptoms like abdominal pain, cramping, rashes, diarrhea, nausea, and acid reflux when eating certain foods? You could be intolerant to them, meaning you need to stay off or find a better substitute.